Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's video we will learn how to permanently disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see, I am currently in the Windows security window, virus and threat protection. Then click on it and you can see in virus and threat protection settings there is option as a manage settings. So click on manage setting and turn off real-time protection, dev drive protection, cloud delivery protection, automatic sample submission, temper protection. So once that done, go to the Windows search bar and type registry editor and open it. If there is any prompt, then click on yes and you will open the registry editor option. So in there, go to the H key local machine, then go to software and you will find policies, then click on policies, then go to Microsoft, then you can locate Windows Defender and look at Windows Defender. Okay, now we will create several registry values. Now right click on the right side panel, then click on new, then go to DWORD 32-bit value, type in disable antivirus, click on it and set the value is 1. Press OK. Now create another DWORD 32 value, disable special running modes. Now set this value is 1. Okay. Now another one, same way, disable routinely taking action, set it value 1. Press OK. Now again type disable anti-spyware and set it the value 1. Press OK. Again set DWORD 32-bit and type service keep alive, set the value is 1. Okay, now you have to create a new subkey. So if you don't know how to create a new subkey, then you have to right click on the Windows Defender and then go to new and then you have to click on key, write their name real time protection. Okay, inside the real time protection key, right click on it, new and select DWORD 32-bit value and type disable behavior monitoring, set it value 1. Next, new, same DWORD 32-bit value, type disable on access protection, set it value 1. Same way, disable real time monitoring, click on it, set the value is 1. Now next, same way, disable scan on real time enable, set it value 1. Okay, now go back to the Windows Defender folder again and create another subkey. So right click on it, new key, and type signature updates. Under signature updates, right click on it, go to new and select DWORD again and type force update from MU. Click on it and set the value is 1. Again create another subkey. Right click on it, new key and type the name spynet. Inside the spynet, right click, new, same way, create disable block at first seen, select it and set it to value 1. So once you have created all the above registry keys and value, close the registry editor and now to apply these changes, restart your PC or you can open task manager and type here Windows Explorer, right click on it and select restart. Okay, after restart, go to the virus and threat protection again. Okay, and you can see no active antivirus provided. This confirms that Microsoft Defender Antivirus has been permanently disabled. If you want to re-enable Windows Defender in future, open registry again and navigate to the Windows Defender and delete all the keys and values you create, okay? And restart your PC again. Once done, your Windows security will be enabled. And that's it. This is the easiest and most effective way to permanently disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus without using any third-party tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.
New comeback better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be